Good day, everyone!
Today, we're gonna learn about simple annuity and how to get the present value of a simple annuity. The present value of a simple annuity refers to the current worth of a series of equal payments made or received at irregular intervals over a specified period, discounted at a certain interest rate. In other words, it is the current value of a stream of future cash flows, adjusted to the time value of money.
So here we have a word problem. Marie Chris finances the purchase of a car and makes monthly payments of 18,000 pesos for 6 years. The loan has an annual interest rate of 4.8% compounded quarterly. Calculate the cash amount she borrowed for the car.
To calculate the cash amount Marie Chris borrowed for the car, we can use the formula for calculating the present value of a series of equal payments, also known as an annuity.
The formula for the present value of an annuity is given by PV, or the present value, equals to the monthly payments multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus r raised to the power of negative nt over r.
So there are different terms used in simple annuity. First, we have PV. It is the present value of the annuity or the cash amount borrowed. Next is PMT. It is the monthly payments. Next is R. It is the quarterly interest rate or converted from the annual interest rate. Next is N. It is the total number of payments or number of quarters in the case. And lastly, T is the number of years. First, we need to convert the annual interest rate to a quarterly rate. Since the interest is compounded quarterly interest rate is given by R is equal to annual interest rate over 4 times 100. In this case, the annual interest rate is 4.8% or 0.048. So, R is equal to 4.8 divided by 4 times 100, and the result is 0.012 or 0.012. Now, we can use the formula to find the present value or PV. So, present value is equal to 18,000 pesos, which is our PMT or monthly payments, multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 0.012, which is our interest rate, raised to negative 4 times 6. So, our 4 here is the total number of payments, then multiplied by the total number of years, divided by 0.012 again, which is our annual interest rate.
Calculating this expression will give us the cash amount she borrowed for the car. Let's compute it. Present value is equals to 18,000 multiplied by 1 minus 1.012 raised to the power of negative 24 over 0.012. The next step is just copy the 18,000 pesos from the previous equation multiplied again by 1 minus 0.788265 over 0.012. We got this 0.788265 from the previous equation, which is 1.012 raised to the power of negative 24.
The next step is just copy the 18,000 or the monthly payment, multiply again 0.211735 over 0.012. We got this 0.211735 from the previous equation, which is 1 minus 0.7788265 over 0.012.
The next is just copy again the 18,000 pesos or the monthly payment multiplied by 17.644583, and we'll get a present value of 317,601.5. Therefore, Marie Chris borrowed approximately 317,601.5 cash for the car.